Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. The same component I have created in NX, this is the component. The same component we are going to recreate it step by step using NX. To do that, first go to the file, new. Here choose model. Here our units are in millimeter. Choose millimeter. Specify the file name. Specify the location. Save OK. Now, first we'll start with this base plate. For that, go to the sketch. Choose the right plane. Save OK. Just create a rectangle. Just simple rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. The height is 25 mm. Say yes. And the width is 140 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Then finish sketch. Extrude. Symmetric value. The total extrusion length is 80 mm. Say OK. Now we have created this plate. Then we will create this feature. For that, go to the sketch. Choose the same right plane. Save OK. First, create an arc. Use a 3-point arc. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. Then only you can take the references. First, go to the arc. 3-point arc. Somewhere here. First point. Here make horizontal. Press the roller to confirm. Now, the center point and this point should be horizontal point. Now we have created this line, arc, then go for the line from here, somewhere here, here. Just make a vertical line. Then from here we have a point from here to here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the sketch. Then remove this one. This one is the vertical line. This one is the horizontal line. Yes. Now first start with the arc. This arc, these 2 points we have made already horizontal. Then specify the arc radius as 70. Press the roller to confirm. Then this arc and this edge should be a tangent. And here also we make it connected properly. Now from here to this edge, the distance is 10 mm. And this height is 110 mm. And this width is 30 mm. Now we have created the sketch, then go for the finish sketch, extrude. Here we make it a symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 60. Say OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch. Again take the front plane, say OK. Take a rectangle. Just create it. Here make a reference of this line. Just create like this. From here to here the distance is 8 mm. Then this length is 108 mm. And this thickness is 20 mm. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Make it here as a symmetric value. Total extrusion length is 80. Say OK. This feature also we have created. Then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch. Select the surface. Say OK. Take a circle. Just take a line. Just create one line. Specify dimension. Then make it construction. Take a circle. just create a circle. The diameter of the circle is 30 mm, and from center point to here the distance is 25 mm. Here they are. Now we have created the circle, then go for the finish circle, extrude. The total extrusion is 30 mm. Say OK. Just hide the sketch. Then we need to create this feature. For that, go to the sketch again. Choose the front plane. Say OK. Now take a line. Make sure here in the entire assembly. Yeah, we got, just rotate it. We got the center point. Just go to the orient view again. Just create a line like this. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for menu, insert. There is an option called associate curve, project curve. Just project this curve. Project this line. Then OK. Now take a line. Somewhere just connect it here and connect it here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Use the trim tool. Trim the unwanted edges. This one. Say yes. This one. This one. This one. And this one. Just close it. Now we have only the wanted edges, required edges. Then specify the dimension. This height is 25. Say no. Control Z. This one is 25. Just delete this one. This one is 25. Say yes. Control Z. Press the roller to confirm. First delete this one, this point and this line. We make it coincident. Then only it will work. This point. These two are make coincident. Control Z. This point and line make it coincident. Then specify this dimension as 25. Now the sketch is done. Then go for the finish sketch. Then go for extrude. Here make it symmetric value. The total extrusion length is 30. Say OK. Now we have created this feature also. Then hide this sketch. Then all the material addition features we have done. Then we'll go for the material removal feature. First start from here. Just go to the sketch. Select this right plane. Say OK. Here just create a circle somewhere here. Then take a line. Just create one triangle here. Control Z. Just close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Now specify the dimension. This one is 18. Press the roller to confirm. This height is, here you can see 20, 15. Then it will be 5. This will be 5. This one is 5 mm. Then here you can see this edge to this edge. The distance is 15 mm. From here to this point, which is 15. And the diameter is 20. Now see, complete sketch is done. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Here we make it symmetric value. Here we make it 80. Say OK. We have created this feature. Then we'll create this feature for the sketch. Select the surface. Say OK. Take a rectangle. Start from here. Create one rectangle. Press the roller to confirm. Take a line. Use the midpoint. Just create a line. Specify this dimension. Make it construction line. Just choose this sketch. Go for mirror. Choose the center line as this one. Save OK. Now we just specify the dimensions. From here to here, the distance is 50. Press the roller to confirm. Just go for the orient sketch. Then the height has to be defined. The height is, they are not given. Instead, from here to this edge, the distance is 15. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have defined the sketch. Then go for the finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Here we make it until next. Save. Now we have created this cut also. Then we'll create one round with a radius of 15. For that, use the option called edge blend. Select this edge as well as this one. The radius is 15. Save. Then we just want to create one hole here. The hole with a diameter of 20. For that, use the standard hole tool. Move your cursor to the edge of the hole. You will get hole at the center. The diameter is 20. Normal to the face. Here we make it until next. Save OK. Now just simply right click here. Orient view. Isometric view. Just check is there any feature is missing. Now all the features are done. Now in that we have finished this tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial, we will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.